Let's talk influencer partnerships, short-term versus long-term. Which should you go for? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're just getting started, here's our playbook at Ubiquitous. We like to kick things off with more creators but fewer deliverables. Why? Simple. It's like dating. You want to see who clicks with your audience, which content styles drive engagement, and what really moves the needle. It's a low-risk way to test the waters before diving into a full-on relationship. Evaluating and scaling partnerships. Here's how we handle it. After that initial test phase, we make data-driven recommendations for who you should bring on for a deeper, more extensive partnership. And it's not just about doing more of the same, it's about expanding the relationship. Maybe you lengthen the engagement, diversify the content, think videos, stories, lives, or ramp up the number of deliverables. Or maybe it's a mix of all three. Bottom line, start broad, gather data, then go long-term with the creators who consistently deliver. The ones who resonate with your brand and audience, they're worth the investment.